I'm going to upgrade my dryer venting system. This video should also be helpful for anyone installing a new dryer exhaust system. I'll replace the vinyl flexible tubing because it does not meet code and it's a potential fire hazard. I strongly recommend reading the local building code sections on clothes dryer exhaust systems prior to doing any work. A minimum would be to thoroughly read the dryer installation instructions. They will address the maximum duct length, the amount of elbows that are permitted, and the exhaust hood types. An improperly installed and designed dryer venting system can cause long dry times, premature failure of the dryer, or possibly cause a fire. I'll install 4-inch 30-gauge galvanized round sheet metal pipe. 4-inch aluminum pipe is also available, though it's not as sturdy. I could install a UL approved transitional metal flexible duct. However, the smooth galvanized pipe will not collect as much lint and it will provide shorter drying times. A transitional duct is the piece of tubing that extends from the dryer exhaust outlet to the penetration in the wall behind the dryer. To cut rigid metal duct, mark your cutting measurements at 2 places on the pipe. To get a straight edge, run a piece of painter's tape from point to point. The metal edges are sharp, so gloves are a good idea. Use some aviator snips to cut the pipe. Flatten the pipe out and cut along the edge of the painter's tape. To put the pipe together, start at one end and make the seams. I put a pair of vice grips at the end of the seam so it didn't come apart. And then the pipe between your knees, if you push it together and kind of flatten the pipe and push the seams together and work your way down the pipe until it pushes together. If the pipe's egged a little bit after putting it together, just roll it around to round it out. If you don't know how to adjust a adjustable elbow to 90 degrees or 45 degrees, I have a video that shows how to do that. Look in the box below this video for a link. After the elbows are adjusted and the pipe is cut, it's time to assemble your work. Use clamps, not screws. Screws often are not permitted by code because if they protrude to the inside of the duct, they may catch lint. Clamp the first piece of the ductwork onto the dryer exhaust outlet. When connecting the pipes, the airflow needs to go this way on the joint, not this way. Seal the joints with foil tape. Don't use duct tape, it dries out. Fasten the seams with clamps. I cut a piece of the leftover galvanized pipe to make a strap to support the transition duct at the halfway point. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. For other videos, click on the channel name Know How Now, and thanks for watching.